Yoga for shoulder and back pain. First, child's pose. Child's pose can help alleviate shoulder and back pain by promoting spinal flexion, stretching the shoulders, inducing relaxation, and improving posture awareness. Generally recommended to hold the pose for about 1 to 3 minutes to experience its benefits without causing strain. Second, cat-cow. Cat-cow pose helps alleviate shoulder and back pain by promoting spinal flexibility, mobility, and shoulder blade engagement through dynamic movements. Also, cat-cow pose alleviates shoulder and back pain by promoting spinal mobility, relieving tension, and engaging muscles around the shoulder blades, fostering a sense of ease and comfort in these areas. Cat-cow pose alleviates shoulder and back pain by promoting spinal mobility, relieving tension, and engaging muscles around the shoulder blades, fostering a sense of ease and comfort in these areas. Performing cat-cow pose in a yoga sequence typically involves flowing between the two positions for 1 to 3 minutes to enhance spinal flexibility and provide relief to the shoulders and back. Third, puppy pose. Puppy pose eases shoulder and back pain by stretching the spine, opening the chest, and releasing tension, fostering relief and relaxation in these regions. Transitioning from puppy pose to child's pose and back to puppy pose creates a fluid sequence that combines shoulder and back stretches, fostering relaxation, flexibility, and relief in these areas. In puppy pose, the elongated spine and extended arms encourage a gentle stretch, relieving tightness in the shoulders and back, promoting a sense of ease and comfort. Fourth, table balance pose. Balancing table pose aids in shoulder and back pain relief by strengthening shoulder muscles, promoting spinal alignment, and engaging the core for improved stability and support. Balancing table pose involves balancing on hands and knees, fostering stability in the shoulders and engaging the core. This yoga posture promotes spinal alignment, offering a gentle stretch to the back. And the extension of one leg aids in hip flexor release, collectively contributing to alleviating discomfort in the shoulders and back. Practicing this pose regularly can enhance overall strength, flexibility, and balance in these areas. Fifth, upward facing dog pose. Upward facing dog relieves shoulder pain by opening and stretching the front of the shoulders. Its spinal extension helps alleviate back pain, counteracting forward hunching. The pose also engages and strengthens core and back muscles, contributing to improved posture and overall relief. Upward-facing dog alleviates shoulder and back pain by opening the chest and stretching the shoulders, promoting spinal extension, and engaging core and back muscles for enhanced strength and posture. I trust you found the shoulder and back pain relief video beneficial. If you followed the entire process, kindly consider liking, sharing, and commenting to support others in their wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more professional insights and helpful content. Thank you for your engagement.